If you have a house in Plain City, Ohio, and you're looking to sell fast, easily, conveniently, and for a fair price, then this video is definitely for you. My name is Dave Perichin, and for over 14 years, my team and I have been buying houses in Plain City, Ohio, and all around Plain City and all around Central Ohio. And in this video, I'm going to share with you why so many sellers of houses in Plain City prefer to work with us rather than marketing, listing, and selling the house with a real estate agent or working with more of a traditional buyer that needs to use a mortgage or a bank loan in order to purchase your house. So first off, those buyers, nothing against the buyer and nothing against the real estate agents. I'm just letting you know how it is. There's a lot more hoops to jump through when you're working with more of a traditional buyer. Since there's a lender involved, they're going to need formal inspections and formal appraisals, and that creates a lot of delays, and it could create, really they might want you to renegotiate and give a better price, and the lenders can start to kill the deal, and it could end up being a waste of your time. And time is money in real estate, because every day that goes by, there's a delay or another hoop you got to jump through. It's another day you got to pay for the property taxes, you're paying for insurance, you're paying for utilities. If there's a mortgage, you're paying for mortgage interest. It's just so time is money. So if you have a house and you're looking to sell it to a direct buyer with no commissions and fees, that's another thing. With a traditional buyer, if there's a real estate agent involved, that's money right off your bottom line. It really is. So with us, there's no commissions or fees. We're going to buy the house in its as-is condition, and there's no bank involved, so there are no formal appraisals or inspections or anything like that. It's much easier, and we love Plain City. We've been buying houses around here for a long time, so we're going to treat you fair. It's not a gimmick. It's not a marketing ploy. We're a true cash buyer. We'll buy the house as is, so that means you don't got to fix anything, or you don't got to, clean. You don't got to be a weekend warrior, right? It's stressful fixing up a house and cleaning and all this stuff. I know. I got little ones at home, and it stresses me out just to build a dollhouse. I'm building a dollhouse in the morning, and pulling what hair I have left. I'm pulling it out because it's so stressful. Fixing up a house is not easy. And then if you want to outsource it and get contractors and handyman, there's risk to that, everybody. I mean, you know as well as I do, not every contractor is good. I mean, there's a lot of really amazing ones out there, and there's a lot of not so good people. It is what it is, but there's risk involved, there's time, there's cost. If you want to sell the house in Plain City for a fair price, sell it as is, at least see what we could do for you. Because when we get on the phone, it's an easy conversation. There's no pressure, no obligations whatsoever. So if you're looking to see what we could do here and you want to sell the house in Plain City fast, easily, and conveniently, contact us today here at 614-300-5151 or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. And again, we're local, so we're going to give you tons of references, and you want to know who you're working with, and we're happy and proud of what we do, so we're going to share exactly who we are, and if we're not a good fit for you, we'll establish that on the first call. No big deal. Not one person has complained and said, oh, they left a bad taste in my mouth because they strung me along. We're not here to string you along, right? We're going to know if we're a fit for you right off the bat, and if we're not, it's okay. People respect that because people don't have time to waste. I'm sure you can appreciate. I sure as heck do. The older we get, the less time we have. Ain't that the truth? And sure enough, the less time we have to waste. Nobody has time to waste. We are not going to play games with you. So if you have a house in Plain City, you're ready to get this thing sold, we'll give you a fair cash offer. Contact us today at 614-300-5151 or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. My name is Dave Perichin. I do look forward to speaking with you, and I look forward to working with you.